welcome to my channel. This is Denise, and I'm showing you guys a simple, super easy, beginner-friendly way to do your eyebrows with just drugstore products and things from Amazon. So I want to keep it simple for you guys. I'm not really going to talk too much. I would rather you guys just watch. Sometimes when you talk too much, it can get confusing. So just cleaning my eyebrows, grooming them with the spoolie. Now I'm going to go in with the light medium brown eyebrow pencil and just outline my eyebrows. You definitely want to make sure that you go with the flow of your natural eyebrow as much as you possibly can. Alright, so I just outlined the bottom, so I'm going to go ahead and do the top. And don't worry about mistakes, you guys, because that can all be cleaned up. You'll see with the concealer and everything. So don't worry about if you make any mistakes. It does not have to be perfect because your eyebrows are not perfect. No one's eyebrows are exactly the same or perfect, so you want to kind of have them look as natural as possible. Remember light strokes at first when you're outlining, and then you can go back and go over it later. Then I'm going to go in with the NYX black eyeliner, and you want to be really careful. This is just to define the eyebrow and make it a little darker at the end. I like to use light feather strokes at the end of my eyebrow, starting at the end, just to make it a little bit darker and more definition. Be really careful. You definitely want to go in with really light strokes. And then I only kind of do it to the middle of my brow, and then I take the spoolie and I go over it just to blend it in and get rid of any harsh lines. Then I go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. You can use any concealer that you like or that you have. And this is where you're going to outline underneath your brow. This gives it more definition. This makes it definitely sharper and neater. And this is where you clean up any mistakes that you made. And also you can kind of reshape your brow if you don't like the way the original shape was. I like to do the top of my brow just on the end. That's optional, you don't have to do that, but it just makes your eyebrows stand out more.